Okay, here's version 2 of the countdown timer. Okay, so I took all of my real-world lessons from using this in the gym to improve it to version 2. So first of all, it's got the rounded area to fit on my arm. I'm trying to find a piece of felt or a nice thick cloth to glue in here, but it's actually pretty good. It just holds into place. It's not hard on the skin or anything. Second improvement is I made a notch here to plug in the USB cable as if I ever want to change the firmware on here so I don't have to take the board out. Third is I abandoned the little plastic up pins where now I drill a tiny little hole and then screw the cap screws in here, and these are in here for good, along with the battery holder is also screwed down. And the last and one of the most significant upgrades is a power switch. So it goes on and off here. Before, I had to actually take the battery cell out, which was starting to damage it because it's really, really hard to get out of there. So I can power it up at the start. It does the same reset thing again, and at the end, I power it off. So this is pretty much the way it's going to end up. Oh, sorry, I forgot one more thing. I added these Velcro straps with loops at the end. I'll show you how that looks. So the loops go here, and it's easy just to pull it tight and stick it down. So there's no problem of it falling off, and it's easy to do this up with one hand. Although these straps are a little too short, and I'm searching around all over China for longer straps with a hook on the end. So that's it for today. I decided I'm going to put the design and the code for this up on GitHub, and I'll put a link to it down in the doodly-doo, so anybody might want to follow on and build upon the magnificence of this design. Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.